U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz, 19. Question 1. Which of the following is a biofortification crop? A. Golden rice. B. Basmati rice. C. Jasmine rice. D. Wild rice. Answer: A. Golden rice. Question 2. The number of sigma bonds in CH2 equals CH3 is A. 6, B. 7, C. 9, D. 8. Answer: D. 8. Question 3. Which of the following is an example of antacid? A. Omeprazole. B. Chlorpheniramine. C. Ranitidine. D. Aspirin. Answer: C. Ranitidine. Question 4. The geometry of xenon tetrafluoride is A. Tetrahedral. B. Square planar. C. Octahedral. D. Trigonal bipyramidal. Answer: B. Square planar. Question 5. Which of the following is a natural polymer? A. Nylon. B. Teflon. C. Cellulose. D. Polyethylene. Answer: C. Cellulose. Question 6. The number of water molecules in gypsum is A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 5. Answer: B. 2. Question 7. Which of the following shows Franco defect? A. NaCl. B. KCl. C. CSCl. D. AgBr. Answer: D. AgBr. Question 8. The IUPAC name of CH3CH2NH2 is A. Methenamine. B. Ethanamine. C. Propanamine. D. Butanamine. Answer: B. Ethanamine. Question 9. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? A. O2. B. N2. C. CH4. D. H2. Answer: C. CH4. Question 10. The number of isomers for C3H6O is A. 3. B. 5. C. 7. D. 9. Answer: B. 5. If you got this 10 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe and comment for more challenges.